Hmm. And you can rejoin, beta. I have not muted you. Okay, you can rejoin.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning, Angel.
Morning, ma'am.
Good morning. Enjoying the rains?
Yes, ma'am.
How?
Yes.
By eating pakoras? No,
Yes. No, ma'am. Actually, popcorn.
pakoras. Okay, that's good. Chalo, good. Aditya is also enjoying pakoras inside.
No, ma'am.
No, you don't like?
Ma'am,
Good
I'm
morning,
enjoying
ma'am.
online classes.
You had? Okay, good morning, lunch.
Ma'am, I had popcorn actually.
You had popcorn? Okay. But then in rains, I think these fitters know pakoras are very, you know,
Ma'am, they are popular, but sometimes, like, ma'am, there wasn't like enough oil right now. So, ma'am said that you eat popcorn, have fun.
that's so good. Right.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning, Agrima. Who is this little girl in your hands? Huh?
Ma'am, she's my cousin sister.
Okay. Do we have any Pranjal in our class?
Yes, ma'am.
Pranjal
Yes,
Gupta?
ma'am.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good afternoon, Bacha Vidushi. Good afternoon.
Good afternoon, ma'am.
Oh. Even I forgot that it is afternoon. Looking outside at the weather.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Ji beta.
Ma'am, why are you wearing two specs?
One is for the reading one and one is for looking outside. Because right now I am sitting in front of the screen. That is why I am wearing it. So that I don't get strain in my eyes. Otherwise they start paining unnecessarily.
Okay, ma'am.
Hmm. Okay, shall we do
Good
some?
afternoon, ma'am.
Good afternoon, beta Alin. Shall we do some flowcharts for this chapter?
Yes, ma'am.
है ना?
Okay, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
हाँ.
Yes, ma'am.
And tell me one.
Ma'am,
Yes, beta
to
Ansh.
ask something.
Yes, Alishma.
Ma'am, you said that.
हाँ.
Ma'am, you said that 12th chapter is not coming. I mean, 11th chapter is not coming in the finals, which we discussed
Ma'am.
last time. So, if we have done the question answer, will you check those, or we have to not do that?
Of course I will check. Of course I will check if you have done.
Okay, ma'am.
Fine. Alishma was saying something.
No, ma'am.
Okay.
Ma'am, and those who haven't done 11,
No issues. No issues at all. Right? Okay. So I am.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning, Angel. I am sharing the screen with you all. I'm sharing the screen with you all. Can you all see the screen, class?
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay,
Yes, ma'am.
just a second. This is chapter 13, I believe.
Chapter 13.
Hmm.
Yes, ma'am.
Chapter 13, let me write down. History. Class 8C, History. Chapter 13, the National.
Indian National Movement.
Indian national movement.
Okay. Indian National Movement. Flowchart 1. We can say Indian National Okay. Screen is visible to everyone, no? We
Yes,
categorize,
ma'am.
we categorize the Indian national movement into 3 eras. I told you, no?
Yes,
The,
ma'am.
the moderate era, which lasted from 1885 to 1905. Then we have the radical era, which started from 1905 and lasted till 1919. And the last was the Gandhian era, which started in 1919 and lasted till 1947. Is this clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Ma'am, what's the radical era?
Yesterday I told you about that, no? The extremists.
Okay, ma'am. Ma'am, actually, I got confused in extremes and moderate.
No problems. They were called so as their demands and methods were moderate. Clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Then now the radical era is also termed as the aggressive phase. Also termed as aggressive phase. Why it was aggressive phase, do you know?
And because of the revolutionaries believe
Many
a lot of
revolutionary arrived that period.
believed in violence.
Yes, because these were the people who believed in, you know, aggressive methods. They showed more of aggression during this period, and moreover they had put up their demands through agitation, through demonstrations, right?
Yes, ma'am.
As they used aggressive attitude and agitational methods to protest, right?
Yes, ma'am.
All have done?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
No, ma'am.
No, ma'am.
Carry on. I have not changed.
What about the Gandhian era?
This is what writing. Now, when we talk of the Gandhian era, we all know that this Gandhian era was the era of non-violence and truth.
Peace.
Ah. We can write it is called so as Gandhiji believed in non-violent and he believed in non-violent
And peaceful.
non-violent ways. ठीक है, this also you can write. It is called as Gandhiji. It is called so as Gandhiji believed in non-violent ways. Believed in non-violent ways to achieve independence, right? DE. Right?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Is this done?
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am.
Now coming to the second one. Now we will be writing method of
Excuse me, ma'am.
जी बेटा.
Ma'am, Alind is in waiting room and he's writing to me.
अच्छा, just a second, let me check. अच्छा, taken. Now this second flow chart will tell us the methods of struggle of the moderates, right? Methods of struggle of the moderates. Like these people, they completely believed in the constitutional agitation, right?
Yes,
Okay,
ma'am.
ma'am.
Agitation. Now these constitutional agitation, it is divided into 5 subheadings, okay? So the first one is,
Okay, ma'am.
First one is
And there will be 5 like headings to this.
no, I'm writing it in a simple manner only, okay? So as I
ma'am.
write, you write, huh? Making peaceful propaganda through press. Then sending memorandum sending memorandum and delegations, right? Then
Yes.
holding annual sessions of the Congress. Then passing resolutions and advancing pleas. Passing resolutions and advancing pleas. And the last one is making petitions and prayers. Petitions, prayers. Done?
Ma'am, what is written in the fourth line? Advancing.
Please, requests,
I'm done.
right?
And please wait.
Waiting, beta, waiting.
I'm done.
All have done?
Yes, ma'am.
Shall I scroll down?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Mhm.
Number 3.
This is flowchart number 3. Political, goal, and methods of extremists. ठीक है? Mhm. They had extremist approach. This extremist approach was one that laid stress on self-reliant direct action which further initiated boycott, Swadeshi, national education, and also gave birth to passive resistance. And all these were done to achieve one goal, that was Swaraj, right?
Yes.
And it involved mass involvement was there, right? And revival of country's glory. Okay, revival of India's glory. Like these were the people, who glorified the country. Whatever the past had, they glorified that, and they wanted people to realize this fact that they were living in a country where nobody was controlling them, right?
Yes.
Okay, ma'am.
Boycott you can keep in a box. Swadeshi in a box. National education again in a box. Passive resistance also in box. Mass involvement in box. Revival of India's glory in the box. ठीक है?
Yes, ma'am.
Alishba is there in the class? Beta, can you see in participants list Alishba's name is there or not?
No, ma'am.
ठीक है.
No, ma'am.
ठीक है. Thank you.
Ma'am, now it is there.
Now the fourth one we will do, okay? चलिए. All have done this?
And just a minute.
हाँ.
Yes, ma'am, done.
All have done?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
Can you share?
Yes, ma'am.
Can you share this work on the class group? All those who have
Yes,
done?
ma'am.
Please share it.
Yes,
on the
ma'am.
class group.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, ma'am.
हाँ जी.
Ma'am, excuse me, ma'am.
हाँ जी बेटा, I'm listening.
Ma'am, I have taken the screenshot.
Who is this?
Vidushi.
Beta, कर लो काम. See, you need to do this in the notebook. Why
Deleted.
why to involve, yourself unnecessarily in extra time doing this work? We are doing it. Do it directly.
Ma'am, I have done it in rough.
No problems. You still send the just image you have to send. No, just send it.
Okay, ma'am.
हाँ.
Ma'am, sent.
Checking.
Ma'am, I have sent, but I have done in very untidy writing. Please do
No.
not scold me.
No problems, beta. No problems. I just want to see that all those who are there, are they doing it or not? Aditya has said, okay. Ayush Agarwal, Angel, Alishma, very good. Very good, Angel. Fine. Good.
Sir,
हाँ. Very good. चलिए. If I ask you about the Gandhian era, can you tell me what exactly you know about Gandhian era when it comes to freedom struggle? Anyone in the class?
Ma'am, about the different movements that were led
Initiated
by
by-
Gandhiji.
Yes, you can talk. Yes, you can.
And
Yes.
ma'am,
Ma'am,
Dandi
about-
March.
Dandi March. Yes.
Ma'am, about the partition of India, Indian National Army.
Yes.
And
But Gandhiji had no role to play in that Indian army formation, right? It was Netaji
Subhash
Subhash
Chandra
Chandra
Bose.
Bose, right? He was the one.
From that it was given
Like
him.
this happened, this formation of the Indian national, this thing. This was done during the Gandhian era only, so we can add on to it. But then Gandhiji was never part of it, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Ma'am,
What-
Swadeshi movement.
Swadeshi movement was launched. It was initiated by the extremists, radicals. We have written here, no? Stress on self-reliant direct action. So when Bengal partition took place in 1905,
Quit India movement.
Quit India movement 1942. This was initiated by Gandhiji. Very good. Gandhiji always focused on the Swadeshi movement in the sense that during 1905, when after the Bengal partition, when Swadeshi movement was launched by the Indians, after that, it lost this. During the struggle, people, forgot about the Swadeshi movement.
When Simon go.
It was Gandhiji who launched it by focusing on being self-reliant, and when and Gandhiji believed that we can only be self-reliant only when we are, making and wearing Swadeshi only, making in India only and wearing it, right?
Okay,
Okay,
What else we can write about
ma'am, non-cooperation.
cooperation? Very good. Beta Ayush कुछ कह रहे हैं, I am not able to understand.
Ma'am, Simon
Ma'am is
Commission.
writing.
Yes, Simon Commission happened during the Gandhian era only. Very good. Very good.
Ma'am, I want to ask something.
Yes, Aditya, please ask.
Ma'am, Gandhiji was from which party?
He did not belong to any party, beta. Whatever he did it on his own. There was no party with which he was associated. Though he supported all the parties which were there, like he gave directions to moderates also. He gave directions to the extremists also, the radicals, those who were there. Plus he was always in touch with the revolutionaries, and he always tried to convince them that nobody can achieve, like these revolutionaries can never achieve their goal by being violent. He always stressed on being non-violent, following peaceful methods, not like the moderates, but by firmly sticking to the truth. Like whatever was truth, he said that let us stick to that, and let us not have these British think that because we are not saying anything, that does not mean that we are weak. We are not weak, we are very strong, but then we don't want to behave in a way which may hurt, which may kill people unnecessarily.
Okay, ma'am.
So this was one reason, that is why Gandhiji, whatever he followed, he never wanted to be part of any of the political parties which were there. Like at that time only INC was there, so he was always in touch with the people, with the leaders, those who were part of it. But he never wanted to be part of any of the party. He said, whatever I am doing, it is collective efforts of everyone. Right?
Okay, ma'am.
Anything else that you want to ask?
No, ma'am.
No? Okay. Now let us go to the third flowchart.
And fourth.
Sorry, fourth. Yes.
4.
Ma'am, fourth.
Fourth. Hmm. Okay, Gandhian era. And non-violence. Then okay. Then they had non-cooperation, civil disobedience,
What is written after along with?
along with Khilafat movement. Civil disobedience movement. Hmm. See, under the civil disobedience, this started with the salt satyagraha. And this non-cooperation movement started with the boycott of foreign goods. Then,
What you have written after along with?
along with Khilafat movement, Khilafat.
There is one more right now.
Wait, yes, along with Khilafat movement, boycott. Now, Khilafat movement started with the boycott of foreign goods and surrendering of titles. See, whichever titles were given by the British to the Indians, those were surrendered by them, and they called for the non-cooperation, right?
And surrendering of
Surrendering of titles.
okay, ma'am.
The degrees of sir that was given to them, no, like Rabindranath Tagore.
Yes, ma'am.
So that was surrendered by all the nationalist leaders, those who were there. Then civil disobedience movement, again it was a nationalist movement, this which started with the salt satyagraha or Dandi march. Right. I think only this much. Some more we can write. So the other was the quit India movement. Right. Rest, I think
Yes, ma'am.
Monday we have a class.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
So the remaining thing for this we will.
Ma'am, we just have to give the heading Quit India Movement.
Quit India movement. Uh, There
Ma'am,
are-
do we have to write
There
something?
are, Beta, there are some details that we need to write for it, but we don't have sufficient time. So that is why I said we'll do it on Monday, right? Will that be fine?